How dare you, Justin? Why did you kiss her? I have to control him. He is a man. He can lose his senses.
Justin, you can marry my daughter.
Thank you, sir. I will keep Susan happy. I will not disappoint you.
I know you are a hard-working person. You can get everything in your life.
I will find a good job soon. As you know, sir, I am an orphan. I want a simple wedding.
It is your wedding. You can decide.
I hope you have no objection, my love.
Not at all, my love. If you are happy, then I am happy.
I will organize everything. Congrats, my sweetie. You are getting married tomorrow.
Tomorrow. I am so happy, Dad. Thank you so much.
My destination is very near. I will get the whole property. Kathy must be so happy.
I cannot do this anymore. I cannot do the dirty laundry. I have to talk to Justin. I am done. Enough is enough. I cannot stand it anymore. Madam, can I do the laundry tomorrow? I have to go home.
You don't need to do the laundry tomorrow.
I am sorry. I don't get it. What are you saying?
I am getting married tomorrow.
What? Are you serious?
Yes. You have to attend my wedding.
I am so happy to hear that. I will be in your wedding. You must be so happy.
Yes. I cannot describe my happiness in words.
See you tomorrow. Take care.
Welcome, my honey. What happened to you? Why are you furious?
You are getting married tomorrow. You have not told me about it.
I could not tell you in Susan's house. Everyone was there.
You could have called me. You could have texted me.
Come on, Kathy. It is not a big deal. We should be happy. We are very close to our destination. We will be rich.
One more thing. Why did you kiss Susan?
I was trying to save you. I distracted her. Thank God. She did not see you.
You have to stay away from Susan. We just need her property. You are just mine. Got it.
Stop worrying. You are making a mountain out of a molehill. I love you. I am going to marry her because of you. We should not argue, Kathy. We have to consider our plan.
I am sorry. You are right, honey. We have to consider our plan.
Touch wood, my sweetie.
Thanks, Dad. You look so good.
You are looking like a princess. God bless you. My little princess grew up. Today is your wedding day. Time flies. I still remember. I held you in my arms when you were born. You were smiling. I wish your mom were with us.
Dad. Don't be sad. We should be happy today.
Your mom was a great woman. You look like your mom.
Hey, honey. Turn around. How am I looking?
Oh my gosh. You are spectacular. You are gorgeous.
I know. I am the most beautiful girl in the world. You are looking handsome, my love. Close your mouth. A fly can enter in your mouth. You are looking gorgeous, Madam Susan.
Thanks, Kathy. Thanks for coming.
Sir Justin. Do you take Susan as your wife?
Yes, I do.
Miss Susan. Do you take Justin as your husband?
Yes, I do.
I declare you husband and wife. Congratulations. You may kiss the bride now.
No way. What should I do now?
Justin, my love.
I will not let that happen. Justin is mine.
Sir Justin. I repeat, you may kiss the bride now.
I am a little shy. I will do that later.
Justin. Everyone is laughing at you. Justin. What's wrong? Are you okay?
Yes, honey. I am okay. I am so happy. You are my wife now.
If your husband is shy, you may kiss the groom.
What are you saying, Father? I am just over the moon. I will always love you. You are my heartbeat. I will be the most careful husband. I will protect you in every situation.
No, no. Please, Justin, don't kiss her. I cannot stand it.
I will also love you a lot. I will do anything for you.
The guests are hungry. What is taking you so long?
Justin. Everyone is waiting. You are too shy.
This cannot be happening. What am I seeing? Susan. You have to pay for that. I will slap you later. Just wait and watch. Susan, madam.